Kublasibuni Piboro Session Part. Ka District School Education Officers and District Project Coordinator RMSA North Garo Hill Risu Bel Para Kalaplat Ikin Hipus and Hikam Nohikai School. Tungin page tajuk kanika advertisement. Application in standard form are hereby invited for eligibility candidate who are citizen of India for recruitment to the post of assistant teacher Mil Garo at Raja Simla RMSA Secondary School RMSA North Garo Hill District Risu Belpara on contractual basis initially for the period of 1 year. Taitu ki candidate kiba don interested ban apply kani page kani ke video ke jonga ngan batai pi ki jingdon kam berkum juru kiba per ki candidate kiba don interested kabade ban apply nam tanyu kani ke post assistant teacher Mil Garo hapo jong ke school Raja Simla RMSA Secondary School RMSA kemud bab ban apply hapo jong ka standard form kade bab ama apply offline kasentar juga di school kebadai kebadon hapo jong ka North Garo Hill District hapo Risu Bel Para badam tajung kani kapus assistant teacher Mil Garo kemudba kandai tangka contractual basis kemudba kamdai permanen kandai tangka kam kontrak kebatang hapo jongka shisnem kekerteng jong kani kapus kadai assistant teacher Mil Garo berkapus kelajang iway but remuneration kemudba kajeng siu kadai arp kandai hajar si benai berka minimum qualification kadai bachelor degree in relevant subject with BEd or equivalent. Berka place of posting berka kemud kejaka nam tajung kani kapus kemud kadai pojong ka school Raja Simla RMSA Secondary School. Kitu ikan did kibolong eligible but man apply am takani kan mau bang ong pi mane ba man apply offline hapo jong ka standard form. Piam pendap kumjuru kerkum ki detail hapo jong ka biodata berkumjuru yaki attest copy jongka academic berjongka professional education qualification kumjuru approve nanta jongka date of birth ki SC/ST certificate ki mark sheet badam ta jong kini ki certificate lani ki dokumen kin debet ki original nombor bapihab de banwara ki original kapor bapiwan chapo jongka interview ka age limit part nam ta jong kini post kadai khat prasnem hadu life arsnem but relaxable part kandai hadu jongka sansnem ka increase tang tajong kituki schedule tribe buat kumjuru tajong ki schedule case age relaxable as per the state norm kemud ka age relaxable kan longkar kumjung ka state norm berkumjuru pihak ban penpoi kan ka application form ka jong pi itu bakwa ban apply po jong ka ni ka post kemud pihak ban penpoi hapo jong ka office jong ka ni ka school haka haswa jong ka kat artrik jong ubanai besan arjar penreu tang ka por ba play office bat lakar paru yaki application kiba apply nanta jong kane subharu ban mention yau WhatsApp phone number jong pi berkumjuru email address hapo jong ka application form hakapor bapi apply tane hakapor bapi pendam badam ta jong ki tu ki candidate ki bala deb syaka interview ki bala pas kemud ki list ken sami bej hapo jong kane ka office notice board bat kim sen lane kim call yapi kabadai bagi pentip dalam tajung kiniki shortlist. Kamud bapia ban sim kiara di hiru ban page dalam tajung kinika result jong kinika pus ke bapi pi apply. Berkum juru ya kadir dalam tajung kiniki interview kamud ba kin sa pentip yapi hapo jongka notice board hapo jongka district school education officer and district project coordinator RMSA North Garo Hill Risubel Para Andir in their WhatsApp kemud ba kin sa pentip ro WhatsApp da jongka interview. No TADA will be paid to the application for attending the interview. Tetang kini kijik pentip ngonon rai pi menta kublai subun.